people? Roll it! We have double green signals. Are you kidding me right now? Here we go, baby. Roll it. This could be the Cincinnati something. I have no idea. Roll it, guys. See right there we have double green signals flashing. Here we go, boys. Roll it. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Blow that horn, baby! Oh, yeah! Here we go, baby! Roll it! Subscribe if you're new to the channel! Post notifications so you don't miss out on any great videos! Roll it! Yeah, baby! Oh, yeah, baby, he's going really slow. Come on, they should be going. And there's the smoke. Gate runner! Yeah! Hold that horn, baby! Yeah! CSX Southbounder! Yeah! What's up, buddy? Yeah! What's up, buddy? What's up? Yeah! Horn show! Keep it going! Yeah! Yeah! Horn show! Yeah! CSX3! CSX76! AWSOME with the CSX5234 ES40! Are you kidding me? Awesome! Bye! Have a safe trip! Bye! Double green signals, are you kidding me? Heck yeah, baby! He's kinda going. Awesome! Double green signals, I think. We could have a train meet. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's roll the video until the other train comes. Roll it. Are you kidding me? That's even better. He also did give me a salute. That's really awesome. Awesome. For a second, I'm like, why are you stopping? Yeah, have the horn, buddy. Honk your horn. He will deliver. We might have a green signal, guys. Woo! Yeah, baby! Look at we go! We have another green signal, so we'll wait for that one. So yeah. We have a Peterbilt behind me. If you want to see him. He's right there. Oh yeah, baby! Sorry if I'm too loud, but I'm excited. You might have a DBU. Oh, look at the lonely what do you call it? Oh my god, there's trash going everywhere. Look at this. Oh man, that is just wow. Wow. The lonely I don't know you call it. Oh yeah. He book it now, Jack. Oh yeah, he's going really fast now. He's going really fast now. He's booking Jack. Also, if you don't know, guys, this train is the southbounder CSX. Southbounder CSX. I think I'm not really sure. Oh yeah. Hey, Norfolk Southern, look at that. Norfolk Southern, hey. 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 Hope if we get a DPU this one, it'd be awesome. There's the end, just down there. I think I see a DPU. Hey! Whoa! That was a cool train car right there. Now we're on a freight. Oh yeah, baby. Centergy, that's what it's called. Oh yeah, there's means right here. He's hauling button now, baby. Hauling butt now. This is slow cars too. Now you see the end. Intermodal! I think I'm on. Oh, garbage. Do not hump! Are you kidding me? Do not hump! Do not hump! Are you kidding me? Do not hump! Do not hump cars. 3 of them. Are you kidding me? Heck yeah, baby! We had a train horn show, a train meet, and a freaking no do not hump car. Are you kidding me? Awesome! We're getting the jackpot today, and we do have a great signal just down there, guys. Do not hump! Are you kidding me? No DPU. Rails right here. There's the end, just about down there, baby. Whoa, that's a long train. Well, not really. Not pretty much. What in the world is that end train car right there? What is that? What is that? Whoa! What is that? Whoa! What is that thing? Whoa, do not hump! Another one! Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness! 4 do not hump cars! What an amazing catch! Green signal though. But we do have a train meet probably. There she goes. Anybody honk your horn, buddy? Honk your horn. Honk your horn. Red signal and a green signal, guys. Do not hump car! Yeah, somebody! A do not hump car right at the end. Now how is that, guys? How cool is that, guys? Make sure you guys give this video a like and subscribe. We do have another train coming probably, so yeah, let's roll it. If the signals drop, don't worry because he's coming right now, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna roll it. Let's watch these signals drop. Alright, we'll watch these signals drop. If the train comes. There go the signals. Awesome! Do not hump car right at the end. And 4 rather. Wait a minute. I think I see another train light, guys. It's not coming from the other direction, but hang on. Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, there's signals down there too. Can I go? Guys, that was an awesome train. Right there, friendly crew, 4 do not hump cars, train meet, maybe, and a nice crew. I said that, never mind. Alright guys, let's roll the next video. Roll it.